this out. Watch. Sorry about that, y'all, but that wasn't it. Hold on, just watch. I don't know if this is all cement trucks, but I'm pretty sure it is, because they all built the fucking same. Hot as hell in here, man. These trucks will make you contemplate working for a cement company, I tell you that. Today, like I told y'all the other day, I've only been on the job for 3 weeks, man. It wasn't a terrible day, but I had to get something done for tomorrow's job. So they put me in a place where I could be close to where I gotta go get a pass from. And just like anything else, they needed help at the end of the day. Can you please help me? Can you please help me? I'm like, man, I gotta go get this badge for tomorrow. Just need your help, please. Come on, man. But me being you see that? Me being the team player that I am, I said, yeah. I help you out, which had me rushing, and boy do I hate rushing. When you rush, mistakes happen. Not saying that any mistakes happen today, but that's typically what happens. When you rush, mistakes happen. So it gets worse. Right there, I was only going 32 miles an hour. Imagine going 60 miles an hour and not knowing there's a dip in the road. Man, this truck will have you about going through the roof. And at first, when I first started driving these trucks, man, it had me so scared. Bad on your back too, especially if it hits the ground. But I'm trying to make it back to the yard because I gotta be at a job by 12:30 in the morning, and it's already 3:47. I gotta pick up the kids. I got class. Class ends at 10 o'clock. I gotta pick up my niece at 9 from her school. That'll only give me about an hour and a half of sleep to do this all over again tomorrow. Well, tonight. So it's not a bad gig. You'll just never know what type of schedule you'll be on. And I tell you, they'll work you. If they have the work, they will work you. It's all about holding your weight and being a team player. That's what I think. It's me personally. That's the work ethic I've always had in my life. Did y'all see that sweat dripping? Why do I look like that? Looking real weird in the face. Try to drop in the comments if you've ever thought about being a cement